This is Dolores Cannon. She will be remembered as one of the greatest hypnotists that ever lived. Dolores Cannon. It says she died October 18th, 2014. Night she died. The following morning I woke up on a dime and a penny, and on October 1st, 2019, I woke up, write a book. So I had to start going through all her books. Nothing really in the Nostradamus. Couple things. But then I came across this again. This came out in 1999. Even though she's dead, it says, because a connection is never broken. And then it talks about you have a friend that you talk with, and he is in the project, you're in the project, and Janice is in the project. It's called the Triangle Project. And she's stuck in here about how she didn't start her company yet. When she had problems getting her books printed, we were in LaGuardia parking lot. And I said, Dolores, you've been doing this long enough. Time to start your own company. And she started printing her own books. Couldn't find some of my books, so we had to reorder. And this is Keepers of the Garden. I already remember there's some information in there that's going to go into this book I'm working on. I thought it was bigger. The covers change. I can't find my original. And obviously, it wasn't signed by Dolores.